Hi, I'm Mark Hutton from Endomet Madumbi. I'm a biospecialist, and today I'd like to present to you our root health program. It's a pack for you to take home and experiment with. So Agrisil K50 is the first product, the second is V12 Initiate, Rasa Vital is our third, and Eco T is our fourth. These two products here are nutritional products, and these two here are your beneficial microbes. So the main aim of this program is to build a resilient plant so that you have less pests and diseases in your vegetable garden. So these three products here we will mix together. This one here you take your cap full and put into 5 liters of water. Make sure you stir it well because it's a heavy product. And then the Rasa Vital, you take a teaspoon, 5 mils of it, and your Eco T, you also take 5 mils of that and mix it into your watering can. The Eco T is a powder formulation, so you do need to mix it into a paste first and then add into the water, where these two are liquid formulations. So, and then the Agrisil K50 you will then use on a monthly basis or every second week as a soil drench. So do take these home, trial and test, and have a good time.